You'll be a competent trader if you listen to what I tell you today. Fix Profit is here, a channel about modern trading and innovation. I have good news for you. My reliable assistant, a smart robot based on AI, is now available to everyone. It reads the market and gives detailed reports and tips. You can get this tool for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. Subscribe and click on the bell, write comments and put likes, there will be a lot of interesting things. So, I start working on the currency pair euro, dollar, 5-minute expiry time. The robot shows me that the bears will gradually start to improve their positions. The signal is lower, 4 red indicators. The frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. This is convenient because you can get up-to-date information almost live. So, I have seen on historical data a downward corridor in which price is declining within a sideways movement. I think the market will soon feel overbought, which was evident in the stochastic oscillator. This will create a new bearish momentum that will strengthen the seller's position. By the way, people, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience, it is not financial advice, I show how I do it. Let's be honest, trading can feel like trying to win a street fight in the dark. You're swinging, missing, trying to find your rhythm, and every time you think you've figured it out, the market lands another punch. But here's the deal, every pro trader you know, they've been there, they've taken those hits, and they kept going, because trading isn't about perfection. It's about progression. It's not about winning every time. It's about learning every time. Before we get into the heart of it, let's talk money management. Because without it, you're not trading. You're gambling. Rule number 1. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Let's say you have $500. That means no more than $5 to $10 on a trade. Simple, not sexy, but essential. The market doesn't care about your hopes. It rewards your discipline. You ever seen a poker player go all in with a pair of 2s? That's how beginners trade when they ignore risk management. The greats know, it's not the hand you're dealt, it's how you play it. In trading, the real flex is patience. Think of money management like the brakes on a Ferrari. Yeah, you want to go fast. But without those brakes, you're going straight off the cliff. And it's always the ones who treat it like a slow grind that actually stick around long enough to win. Now let's address the elephant in the room, failure. It's coming, and it's not a glitch in your journey. It's part of the process. You're not broken, you're just in the gym phase. You're building trading muscles, and those reps, they hurt before they pay. Remember when Tony Hawk fell hundreds of times trying to land the 900? Or when Kanye West dropped out of college and got laughed at before redefining music? It's the same pattern. Greatness requires resistance. The pressure? That's part of the privilege. So, I finalized the first deal. You can see the result on the screen. We help with training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. Now I will work with another currency pair, Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Investment? 1%, strictly within the limits of money management. So, an active sell. The bot issued a recommendation and showed me that 8 indicators were screaming about the growing advantage of the bears. I agree, we need to catch the momentum here. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. I see on the price movement chart a clear downtrend in the seller's advantage in saturating the market with volume. Yes, this impulse should continue in the next 5 minutes. The bulls simply will not have time to reverse the course of events. Their maximum is to bring the movement into flat. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Analyze your trades. After every session, ask yourself, did I follow my rules? Did I overtrade? Did I exit too early? Was I chasing or reacting? Because those answers? They're gold. Use trading journals. Take screenshots. Note why you entered, why you exited, and what indicators were flashing. You'll start seeing patterns. You'll begin catching yourself before you repeat mistakes. Speaking of indicators, don't just rely on one. Use a combo. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, stack them like Legos. Each one gives you a piece of the story. Together, they give you the plot. And remember, this isn't just a battle of strategy, it's a battle of psychology. If you've been stuck in that cycle, trade, lose, quit, come back, repeat, I want you to know, that's normal. What's not normal is quitting forever. You're not too late, you're not too dumb, you're not missing the gene. You just haven't stayed long enough. The only difference between you and that successful trader on Instagram is time under pressure. That's it, so stay. Stay when it's boring. Stay when it's slow. Stay when everyone else is chasing shiny objects. Because that's when the real breakthroughs happen. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me what tools you're using. What indicators give you confidence? How do you manage your emotions? What's your approach to money management? Let's make the comment section a conversation, not just a scroll zone. Smash the like if this hit home. Subscribe if you're tired of fluff and want real talk from someone who's been in the trenches. Because this isn't a game for the gifted, it's a game for the gritty. And one more thing, don't sleep on this opportunity. The assistant is free now. In a month, it won't be. Grab it, test it, let it help you clean up your trades and focus on strategy. Links in the description. You've got this. You've always had it in you. Now prove it to yourself. Let's go. In the meantime, I have completed the work. You are once again seeing the result on your screens. Subscribe and click on the bell. I'll be back soon. More to come.